you ready for your next adventure? Whether it's a road trip across the country or a flight to a foreign land, traveling can be an exciting and enriching experience. But it's important to remember that it's not all fun and games. Here are some do's and don'ts to keep in mind while you're on the road. One of the biggest don'ts of traveling is not paying attention to your surroundings. Whether it's using your phone while walking or not looking both ways before crossing the street, not being aware of your surroundings can put you in danger. On the other hand, one of the best things you can do while traveling is to talk to locals. They know the area better than anyone and can give you valuable tips and recommendations on where to go, what to see and what to avoid. Another don't of traveling is being too focused on taking the perfect picture. Instead of getting caught up in capturing the perfect moment, take a step back and enjoy the experience of being in a new place. Be present in the moment. One of the most important things to do when traveling is to try new things. Whether it's trying a new dish or participating in a local tradition, breaking out of your comfort zone is a surefire way to make your trip more memorable. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and make the most of your travel experience. With a little bit of knowledge and preparation, you can make the most of your trip and create memories that will last a lifetime. Explore the world with confidence.